Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah. So first is this, and then we can check. Like this post have a post URL, so I will just change it to post. Right. So this is our post URL, and then we have a delete or put everything. We have a delete post. Okay. So in this way, we can hit all the routes successfully. So I think that's it. Today, these are the thing. So do anybody have any questions? They can.
No. So I want to ask one thing that
Uh,
for Node.js is can we is what type of web application can we build with the help of is,
Okay, with the help of what kind of application we can build? See, we
means
can build. Yeah, we can build. I think in any kind of application other than those application which use a high volume of throughput. For my case, I have worked on e-commerce website. I have worked on enterprise application. I have worked on application where we have merged multiple application. Okay. So we can work on almost everything, but the only problem which Node.js I feel where we have a mean take mega terabytes of data, TB of data, some TB of data, some GBs of data. We want to process those things. Okay,
okay.
because since uh, it does not work synchronously, it work asynchronously. So what will happen if we have some application where some APIs take huge amount of memory, so it does
Yeah.
not stop other APIs also, right? So parallelly some multiples API will run. So in
Yeah.
that case, Node.js have some flaws. Flaws mean it's a flaws for every different application. Other application will be slow, comparatively slow, but Node.js can be comparatively fast in that case. But once everyone hit those APIs where huge amount mean suppose you are updating one, 1 lakh data. Okay, and first you are fetching those things and then you are updating. So while fetching, every data is in memory, right? And
Yeah.
that process is doing parallelly by 10% or 12%, right?
Yeah.
So if you add those uh, 20 MB or 50 MB into 20%, that will be in GBs, right? So in that case, memory allocation would be blocked. But with
Okay.
Java and Spring Boot, what happened? They do synchronously. Mean they wait for the other process to get completed. So in that case, those would be a better choice. But again, it depends upon your frameworks and how you are using the frameworks. Now, Node.js also we can work Node.js to work synchronously. Okay, and asynchronously also. So based on our need of our application, we can do that thing. But I have find only one this flaws only, like when we process millions of data together, and during that process multiple APIs called means similar process happened again. So in that case, it suck up all the memories. But if you have a thousand data which are in MBs, then I don't find any problems with Node.js. And that problem I think will be with any other applications also, or any other languages also.
Yeah, for those, I have a question.
Yes.
I am audible. Yeah. For
Yeah,
those
you are
for
audible.
other language, if run server, we need some means Apache server or Philosophy, any other server we start, then we run our application.
Yes.
But in Node.js, there is no need to any other server is started. In that case, in Node.js, what is the server?
Yeah, you need a
Server
Apache
name.
server or Nginx. I mean, you need those also. Okay.
But when we using Express, there is no explicitly any Apache or anything. We don't start in our machine. With the then how Node.js run means I want to know that these things. There is some background process or how?
Yeah, it use V8 engine. Okay, for that.
I think for
Th-
any server, we need a web app means like Apache or Nginx. We need
Yeah,
uh,
for Node.js also we need those things.
that.
Yes.
Sir, another thing means I want to ask you is that as you have told that like in Java, it works like in a synchronous way. So, but in case of Node.js, the processes runs in asynchronous way. So, what is the difference between the means synchronous process and the asynchronous process? The for any means for efficiency of any application.
Yeah. See, in Java you run thread, right?
Yeah.
So thread is an asynchronous process, mean where you want multiple process to run simultaneously. Okay. Why you run thread in Java?
Uh,
To
me,
run multiple process at same time so that
and
it will speed up your process, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So in this way, if we take that this example, so asynchronous process